This is the world's lightest Copilot Plus PC, coming in at just 980 grams, but packing up to 32 hours of battery life and starting at under $1,000. It's the Asus Zenbook A14, and I've partnered with Asus to tell you all about it. Now, the Asus Zenbook A14 comes with a few things inside the box. There's an included sleeve, which feels super nice. There's a separate box with a power adapter, and you can get up to 90 watts of charging. And then we have an inner box with the 2024 Asus Zenbook A14 and some paperware. And here it is. It's honestly so impressive just how light this is. And there's even a lighter version available in particular regions, which has a slightly smaller battery, and that's under 900 grams. The version we have here, and the one that's available in the UK, is around 980 grams, and it is using Asus's Ceraluminum. Yeah, that's it. Ceraluminum. Not Ceraluminum. I always get confused with this. You may have heard about this before, but it's a combination of ceramic and aluminium, and it has such a nice feel. It kind of feels like pebble. Now, what's great about the A14 is that we've got Ceraluminum on the entire chassis. So that's the lid, the keyboard frame, and the bottom case. On previous versions of the ZenBooks with Ceraluminum, it was only on the lid. Now, the ZenBook A14 is available in two colors, this Zabriskie beige as well as an Iceland gray. Now, these colors are not painted. The color is actually a result of the molecular process, which I'm not going to even begin to try to explain. I absolutely love this design. At its thinnest point, it's around 1.34 centimeters thin, and we've got Asus's innovative easy lift hinge. Just check this out with one hand. Oh my God! So smooth. Wow! I'll do that again just because it's so good. Look at that. Wow. Just so easy to lift it up with this easy lift hinge. And this reveals the beautiful 14-inch Full HD Asus Lumina OLED display. It has a 16:10 aspect ratio, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, 600 nits peak brightness, a 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio, 0.2 milliseconds response time, VESA Display HDR 600 True Black, and it has a TÜV Rheinland eye certification and emits 70% less blue light compared to standard LCDs, which makes it very easy on the eyes. And it is a 60 Hz panel. Now, of course, 120 Hz would have been amazing, but for this compact size and price, 60 Hz is more than enough. Now, certain regions will have the option for an IPS panel. The one we have here is the OLED. Now let's talk about the performance. So this is powered by the Snapdragon X series of processors. In the UK, we've got the Snapdragon X or the Snapdragon X Elite versions, but in other regions, you'll also have the option for the Snapdragon X Plus. We've got a TDP design of up to 45 watts, and we've got up to 45 TOPS for the NPU, which is 45 trillion operations per second. This is going to be ideal for the on-device AI features, and we do have support for up to 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, and the base does come with 16 gigabytes of RAM, so you're not going to have to worry about just having 8 gigabytes, and there is up to 1 terabyte of PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD storage. Now, with the new Snapdragon X series of processors, you're going to be getting efficiency and amazing battery life. So the ZenBook A14 has a 70 watt-hour battery, and that's going to give you up to 32 hours of battery life. And when you do want to plug it in, then you do have the option of up to 90 watts for the USB Type-C power adapter. Now let's talk a little bit about the software and AI. Being a Windows Copilot Plus PC, you've got all of the new AI features such as live captions, recall is coming, we've got co-creator, and we have features like generative fill and erase in Paint. That's right, Microsoft Paint. This absolutely blows my mind. For somebody who's been using Microsoft Paint for generations, I remember in school I used to make cartoons using my mouse and using the fill tool and the pen tool, taking ages to make a simple cartoon. Now you've got features which I use on professional apps like Adobe Photoshop here in Paint, and also erase in Paint. If you want to remove somebody from an image, then this will also do it. Now, there is a limitation of 2000 by 2000 pixels, but nevertheless, it's a lot of fun to use. We've also got super resolution in photos, which allows you to upscale your photos by up to 8 times. And briefly testing this, the results actually look really good. Now, yes, if you're going to be zooming in and pixel peeping, you might notice some things which look a little bit like a painting, but honestly speaking, if you've got some old pictures that you need to upscale, You're gonna absolutely love this. Now, understandably, one of the questions that gets asked a lot when covering ARM-based laptops is around compatibility. The good news is that we do have much more compatibility now. There are native versions available for around 90% of the apps that you use daily. Now for the camera, we have a full HD IR camera, which does support Windows Hello, and the keyboard. I am very impressed with this keyboard. It's a full-size backlit keyboard and it has around 1.3 millimeters of key travel. It actually feels really good and very comfortable to type on. And then we have the touchpad. Now this supports ASUS's smart gestures, so you can swipe up and down along the right-hand side to increase or decrease the brightness. You can swipe up and down along the left-hand side to increase or decrease the volume. You can swipe along the upper edge to forward and rewind the video. And you can swipe from the upper right corner towards the center to bring up the Screen Expert Control Center. For the ports on the right-hand side, we have a single port. It is one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port. On the left-hand side, we have a full-size HDMI 2.1 port, two USB 4 Type C ports, both of which support up to 40 gigabits per second data bandwidth, as well as display ports and power delivery, which means you can connect up to 3 external displays to the A14. We then have an audio combo jack, and the ZenBook A14 has support for up to Wi-Fi 7. Now this is just for the Snapdragon X Elite version. Other versions have Wi-Fi 6E. Now for the audio, we have super linear speakers with support for Dolby Atmos and Snapdragon sound technology. And for its size, they actually sound very good. And finally, the price. As mentioned towards the start of this video, this will be starting at under $1,000. And for that, you're getting amazing performance, great battery life, a beautiful display, all in this super compact form factor. I think this is going to be very, very popular. As always, I will be leaving a link down in the description below so you can check out the latest pricing and availability in your region. What do you guys think of the Asus ZenBook A14? Will you be picking one of these up? Drop me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. If you want to see more content like this, then do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do smash that like button for me. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.